Make sure you have your Go Math book out and a pencil, okay?
Okay. No.
All right. Okay, you guys, we are on page 146. 146. Okay, we're going to get started. This first one says, write a devil's fact to solve. Meg and Paul each put 8 apples into a basket. How many apples are in the basket? We need to write our doubles fact for 8. Who remembers what a doubles fact is? Nobody remembers what a doubles fact is? Alright, so a doubles fact, remember, is when we have 2 of the same numbers to add together. So they never change no matter how we move them because it's the same number. So what can I do to get the same number out of 8? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How should I split that up so we have an equal amount on both sides? Keela.
You can count.
What was that?
You can count them.
We could count them, you're right. So we have 8 altogether. How many do you think is half of that? What's half of 8? Do you know?
Four.
What'd you say?
4.
4. Good job. Yep. I split it up into 2 sections of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. That gives me 8. So that is our doubles fact for 8. Good job, Keela. And the way we can find that is we could just move a couple until we had the same amount. Okay, so for this one we are going to write, so it says Meg and Paul each put 8 apples into a basket. How many apples are in the basket? Oh wait, just kidding, I read that problem wrong, you guys. Sorry, Miss Cheatham's just waking up. So it says Meg and Paul each put 8 apples into a basket, so they each have 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sophia, how many do I have altogether?
16.
Good job, 16. So altogether we have 16 apples. And I'm adding these two together, so that tells me I should put 8 plus 8. So that is my doubles fact for 16. Make sure you have that written in your book. Alright, moving on to the... So now we're going to use what we learned in the math on the spot to help us with this one. It says there are 18 people at the party. Some are boys and some are girls. The number of boys is the same as the number of girls. So we have to write our doubles fact for 18. Okay, so I'm going to start by drawing out 18. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And I want to make sure we have the same amount, so we're going to move them into groups, right? We're going to start moving them. So let's see. Kieran, can you help me with this one? Oh, that won't work. There it goes. How should I move my 18 so that they are 2 equal parts? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh. Let's see if my computer will work. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. So now let's move them. So I'm going to start by just putting a couple in one of the lines. And Kieran, you tell me when they start looking about even, okay? Kieran, did they look even now?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you tell me how many is in one of these lines?
8.
Want to count that again, buddy? Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many is in one of the lines, Kieran?
9.
What was that?
9.
9. Good job. So that would be our doubles fact. Good job, Kieran. Thank you. So our doubles fact for this one is 9. And I know there are 18, so I'm going to go ahead and write that there. And Kieran told me that there are 9, so I'm going to put that as my add-ins. And I'm going to put it for both because that means that it's a doubles fact if they're the same add-ins. All right, make sure you guys have that on your paper. And we're going to move on. So it says, the cubes show a doubles fact. Choose the doubles fact and the sum. So it's showing me 4 plus one of these numbers equals one of these numbers. Well, let's see. Aaron, can you tell me how many blocks there are in one of these lines?
4.
Good job.
4.
So it says 4 plus 4, and then how many are there together, Aaron?
8.
Good job. There are 8 altogether. So the doubles fact for 8 is 4 plus 4. Thank you, Aaron. Okay. We are going to go on to the next page, which is page 147. 147. Okay? This page is homework, so I want you guys to get started on it, and I will read you the problems if you would like, okay? Keela, do you have a question?
Yeah, I didn't see the other one because I was doing 15, so I didn't see that
This
one.
one?
Yes.
So we said that 4 plus 4, we circled the 4, equals 8. Because there's 4 cubes in one of the blocks, in one of the lines, I mean, and there's 8 altogether. Alright. Okay, so this one, again, is homework. Let me just do a quick scan. You do not have to do number 6, okay? So if you get ahead of the class, you do not have to do number 6. The rest should be fine. So your homework is 147 and 148. 2 pages like we always do, okay? For the first 4 problems, these 4 problems right here, it says use squares, draw squares to show your work, and write the sum, okay? So you're just going to draw your squares so that you have that visual, and then you're going to add them together, okay? And you may begin on those. Please use the raise your hand button when you are finished. Jose, do you have a question?
Yes, can we use circles also?
Yep, I am totally okay with you using circles for those. Good question, Jose. Sophia, do you have a question?
Could you read?
What was that, honey?
Could you read the next problem?
Yes, 1 second, Sophia.
Okay.
And Zayden, did you have a question?
Can you read me the red one?
Yes, I will read
Number
that one
5?
for you and Sophia.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for being polite. All right, so Zayden and Sophia. Number 5 says, write a doubles fact to solve. There are 16 crayons in the box. Some are green and some are red. The number of green crayons is the same as the number of red crayons, okay? So just like the math on the spot one that we did, you're going to do a doubles fact for 16. Sophia, do you have a question?
Okay, I can't really hear it. Hold on. I'm done.
You're done with that page?
Yep.
Okay, so you can move on to the next page, 148. And it's saying write a doubles fact with the sum of 18. Okay? Thank you, Sophia.
I'm done with the page. I just did.
Zayden, was that you? Okay, so you can also move on to the next page. And it says write a doubles fact with the sum of 18. Do you have a question, Zayden, or are you just holding your pencil up?
I'm done with
You're done with that one?
page.
Okay.
Yeah, I need to move.
The next one says write a doubles fact with the sum of 12. Zayden?
I'm done with number 2.
Awesome. Number 3 says what is the sum of 3 and 2? Draw the squares, write the sum. You're going to draw your squares and then add 3 and 2 together. Keela, how's it going?
Can you read me the problem 5?
Yes, I can. It says there are 16 crayons in the box. Some are green and some are red. The number of green crayons is the same as the number of red crayons. So you're going to find your doubles fact for 16, okay? How's it going, Xander? Xander, are you doing okay?
Yes, just a little tired.
Oh, just a little tired. Okay. Me too, Xander. That's okay. Thank you for letting me know. Kieran, are you doing okay?
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. Thank you, Kieran. All right. Jose, are you doing okay?
Are you
Yes, Jose, are you okay? You doing okay with the math?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. Aaron, you doing okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. Sophia, do you have a question?
Could you go to the next page on 4?
Yes, I can. It says draw circles to show the numbers. Write the sum.
But how do I do that?
Um, I'm not sure, Sophia, so I'm going to say you guys do not have to do number 4 because it's not giving you any numbers for that one. So you do not have to do that one. So you may pull out a book and read instead. Okay? Awesome. Thank you, Sophia. Zayden.
What's this fishing box for?
Fishing box.
Like in a math book.
I don't have that. Can you show it to me? I'm gonna say that is that's something for you and Miss Prince to do tomorrow in class. I'm not entirely sure. Okay. And Zayden, if you're finished, you may pull out a book and read because I'm not gonna have you guys do number 4 on that one.
Okay.
Good morning, Liam. Please pull out your Go Math book. We are on pages 147 and 148 doing homework. Doing okay, Kieran? Okay. Do you need me to read you the next one?
No.
No. Okay. Awesome. Thank you for working so hard. Doing okay, Keela? Awesome.
Miss Cheatham,
Yes, Jose.
can you please read me the number 5 on the first page, please?
Yes, I can. Thank you for asking so politely. It says, there are 16 crayons in the box. Some are green and some are red. The number of green crayons is the same as the number of red crayons.
That means I need color crayons to do them?
You can if that will help you. It's just asking that you do a doubles fact for the number 16.
Miss Cheatham.
Yes,
Miss
Aiden.
Cheatham, I have to leave because I have a dentist appointment,
Okay.
and I won't be on any of the classes.
Okay, that is okay, Zayden. Thank you for letting me know. Make sure you practice your sight words today, okay? You are free to go. Keela, do you have a question?
Yeah, can you read me the next page?
Yes, I can. It says, write a doubles fact with the sum of 18. Liam,
I'm done.
what was that?
I'm done.
With both pages?
Not both. I don't know. I don't know what page is the other one.
Okay, so we're doing pages 147 and 148. Okay. And then if you're on 148, you do not have to do number 4. Jose, do you have a question?
Yes, is it okay? Can I do it with marker? That's why I cannot find my color crowns.
That is completely okay, Jose. Whatever helps you. Liam, do you have a question?
Can you read the problems on the 148 one?
Yes, I can. Thank you for asking. It says, write a doubles fact with the sum of 18. And the second one's the same, except you're going to do it for 12. Jose, do you have a question?
Yes, can I use my black marker with the circles, like outline them with it? That's why I have my pencil, but I want to use it like that.
You can. Just make sure you don't push super hard, because I don't want it to leak through the page.
Okay.
Okay. Keela?
Can you read me the next one?
Yes. Number 2. That one. It says, write a doubles fact with the sum of 12.
Okay.
Okay. Kieran, do you have a question?
Yeah. I need help with that. One with the 12 doubles back.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. That's okay. So we need to get equal amounts to equal 12. Oh, whoops. So I'm going to put 12 circles. Whoops. What is happening here? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Does that look like there's an even amount in both lines? Yeah. How many is in one of those lines, Kieran?
9.
Want to count that again, buddy?
6.
Good job. So if there is 6 in one of these lines, that means that must be our doubles fact, right? So what plus what equals 12?
6 plus 6 equals 12.
Good job, Kieran. Okay. Keela?
Can you read me the next problem?
Yes, I can. It says, what is the sum of 3 and 2? Draw the squares, write the sum. Okay. Liam, did you have a question?
Yes. Can you read problem number 3?
Yes. What is the sum of 3 and 2? Draw the squares, write the sum. Jose, do you have a question?
Yeah, can we please like color the circles on the red spots to like however color we want to color them in?
You want to color all your circles?
Yeah, how like the color like I want. Like 2 colors, like a pattern. Is it okay?
I don't know if a pattern would help you. Only because you need to make sure that there's 2 separate colors. So see how I have my 2 lines? One line would have to be one color and the other line would have to be the other color, okay? Because I don't want you to get
Okay.
confused. Liam, do you have a question?
I'm done with both.
Awesome. You may pull out a book and read. Thank you for working so hard. Keela?
Can you read me the next problem?
We are not going to do that problem. Only because I don't understand what it's asking you guys to do. Okay? So you are all finished and you may pull out a book, Keela. Kieran, you doing okay? Yeah?
Yeah, I need help with the next problem.
This one, number 3?
Yeah.
Okay, it says, what is the sum of 3 and 2? So you're going to add 3 and 2 together. And you have to draw your circles. Or squares, either one.
3 plus 2 equals 5.
Yep. There you go, Kieran. Good job. Sophia?
Could I be done reading?
Yes, we will come back together right now.